Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you
Paragraph writing topic on trees.
But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. Kindly show your support to this channel. A tree is a long-lived plant with a prolonged stem, trunk, branches and leaves in many species, according to plant science. In other locations, the definition of a tree may be narrower, encompassing just woody plants with auxiliary development. These plants are utilized as lumber or as plants that reach a certain height. Taller palms, tree greeneries, bananas and bamboos are all considered trees in broader classifications. Trees plays an important role in our lives. Without trees, life will become incredibly difficult. Because a tree is the most significant angle providing a secure and well-off living, we may claim that life would be done. People are excitingly chopping down trees these days. And if this trend continues, there will come a time when we will no longer have any plants. Trees provide us with oxygen, which we need to breathe. Trees can, in fact, prevent soil deterioration. As a result, we should appreciate the value of trees and whenever possible, plant a tree instead of cutting down a single one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Trees come in a variety of sizes and shapes. Some are enormous while others are small. Some have thick trunks while others have hard ones. The trunks of others are delicate and elegant. Some of the soil's components produce plumes. In any case, each and every one of them is a gift from God, with the objective of allowing us to unwind. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Trees are essential for life on the planet. The land will become dead and dry if trees are not planted. By any means, there would be no water, no downpour, and no backwoods. Trees provide oxygen, shade, and more food grown from the ground. Trees build woodlands and provide as a home for over 10,000 different sorts of flying creatures. There would be no forest without trees. People and animals both require oxygen to survive. Fish too require oxygen in their gills. That oxygen is produced by the trees. Carbon dioxide is inhaled by trees, which is then exchanged for oxygen. Your household may get a year worth of oxygen from only 2 large trees. There would be no life without trees. Trees are the house of flying creatures. It is their main residence. Trees are also a source of food for them. People also consume natural products produced by plants. They also sell it for cash in the market. A few trees provide us with medications, oils and elastic among other things. During downpour, trees catch the dirt. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God's most visible blessing to life on earth is tree. They provide oxygen, food, shelter and rain. Trees also help to purify the air by channeling it. Tree roots bind the soil and maintain it in place. A tree resembles a residence to winged birds and crickets. It has the appearance of typical rooftop in the sky. Fowls will be most at risk if there are no trees. They won't be able to settle down and lay eggs since they won't have a place to call home. Each of these species will succumb to death in the not too distant future. In summer, they relax in the shade of trees and are also protected from rain. Trees protect foals and small critters from predators by providing food for them. Trees assist us as long as they are able to survive. They also aid with temperature control. In summer, they assist by cooling the air. Tree leaves are eaten by elephants and other animals. When they pass on, they are still useful. Their wood is used in the production of furniture. To prepare food and obtain heat, it is seared. Fallen leaves make fantastic compost. Trees survive for a long time and provide us with assistance. We should plant as many trees as we are permitted. Similarly, we should not injure a tree, rather allow it to live. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As I told you before, trees come in a variety of shapes and sizes. They are huge while others are small. Some have huge trunks while others have hard ones. Some tree trunks are elegant and delicate. Some of the soil's components produce blooms. In any event, each and every one of them is a gift from God that allows us to unwind. We take note of everything around us and inhale air. The oxygen produced by the tree is the same. Would we be able to survive if they didn't have access to oxygen? No is the correct answer. This response elucidates the importance of trees to life on Earth. They are the world's life-supporting emotional network. Trees are also quite valuable in commercial world. Papers are made from wood mash of trees. They are used to create windows and doors. During downpour, trees store water. This water fills a water storage tank beneath the ground. Similarly, they prevent soil from escaping. Children in schools also benefit from the shade provided by trees. During hot summer, children sit and play beneath the shade of trees. Trees enhance the beauty of a location. They reduce noise and pollution. Similarly, tree keeps the air pure by trapping dust. Winged creatures, squirrels and bugs all make their home in trees. Trees have been shown to reduce stress and pressure on the circulatory system. Little creatures and winged creatures live in the hollows of old trees. For thousands of years, trees have aided mankind. Trees are revered as God in a few religions. They worship and care for the tree by doing puja beneath it. We should all think about trees and plant more of them. Planting a tree in your home is the greatest option, so that other people will benefit from another tree planted beside the road. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What role do trees play in our lives? Trees are really important. They provide oxygen, store carbon, balance the soil and provide life to the world's natural life as the greatest plants on the planet. What are the most well-known trees in the United Kingdom? The most basic tree species found in Britain include silver birch, oak, birch and sweet chestnut. What are the components of trees? To generate sugar particles, trees use carbon dioxide as source of carbon. The great majority of trees' biomass is made up of woody tissue and bark. Cellulose is found in wood and bark. What was the world's first tree? The first tree was Vetiza, whose fossils were discovered in New York State in 2007 and date back to the Middle Devonian period, around 385 million years prior. So remember, trees give peace to the souls of men. A tree has roots in the soil yet reaches to the sky. It tells us that in order to aspire, we need to be grounded, and that no matter how high we go, it is from our roots that we draw sustenance. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. Thank you so much for watching.